Debari went to visit Grandma, where flowers bloom and tall trees grow. He loved the coop with clucking hens. That's the place he liked the most. Cheep, 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 so soft and sweet. Yellow chick with tiny feet. Step by step she follows near. Only Debari she holds dear. They sang a song, they caught a worm. They walked around, then took a turn. With waddly steps and happy squeaks, her little dance was oh so sweet. Cheep, 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 so soft and sweet. Yellow chick with tiny feet. Step by step she follows near. Only Debari she holds dear.
Grandma, I'm back, Debari said.
Peeaki, I came again.
But something's wrong, he looked around.
No yellow chick was to be found. Peeaki, where did you go? Debari's eyes were filled with woe. He called and called, please come to me, but not a single chick to see. Then Grandma smiled and softly said, Peeaky's standing right behind your head.
He turned around, what did he see? A big hen clucked, bok bok with glee.
Wait, are you Peeaki? He cried.
She smiled and fluffed her wings with pride.
Cheep, 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 you once were small. Now you're big and proud and tall. You may have changed, but still you're true. Debari's friend forever is you. Step by step, still by my